Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Please leave your thumbs up and please leave your comments. First, I want to say thank you for all the support that you give me on this channel. I really do appreciate you. Without you, I would not have a channel. So thank you so much. President Joe Biden walked to the White House. He kept breaking away from the walk, running to the fence to shake hands. I bet this gave the Secret Service team a headache. But he was enjoying his walk to the presidency. And the poor cameraman that was breathing so hard, he was having a hard time keeping up. You could hear him on camera breathing hard. And there's a lot of people worried about Joe Biden not being in good health, that he's too old to be president, all kinds of stuff they're saying. But did y'all hear that cameraman breathing hard? I think Joe Biden's in pretty good shape. I mean, I'm 59 years old. I don't think I could have done what he did yesterday. So I don't think we got nothing to worry about when it comes to Joe Biden's health. Just a quick thought I had too, while we was waiting for Joe Biden to get out of the limousine, I had this thought that wouldn't it be nice if they had a camera inside the limousine? That way we could see them and hear what they was talking about the whole time they was sitting there. Just a thought. The Democrats now take control of the Senate and the White House and retain control of the House. And I think this is a very good thing. Maybe now, if they're working together, they can get something done without fighting the party lines. Let's just hope so. Chuck Schumer said, "Now we are ready to get to work." He went on to say that the new Senate will act boldly and get things done in a bipartisan manner. And we will legislate. In other words, they're not going to just sit on a bill for months at a time without doing anything like, the Mooch Man did. Joe Biden went straight to work. As soon as he got in the White House, he started signing his executive orders. He had a stack of 17 orders on his desk. He signed 3 of them. They said that he would sign the rest of them today. He did not say it. Other people said it. But I think over the next few days is when they will get signed. So he signed the 3, and then the press was getting so loud in there. I mean, asking a million questions at one time. They ended up kicking the press out pretty fast. And when they did that, they ended the stream. But President Biden is not wasting any time going straight to work, carrying out his promises that he made to the American people. Chuck Schumer said in a letter that over the last 4 years, the previous administration took enormous steps backwards. One of the first things we must do is undo the Trump recession. And executive orders is the most effective tool that we can use to do this. We must use every tool in our toolbox, he said, including executive orders. Joe Biden had a stack of 17 executive orders on the Resolute desk. He did sign the first 3 today, and over the next few days he will be signing more, just as he promised before he took office. Y'all, I do believe Joe Biden is going to do a good job. He went straight to work for the American people. We just have to give him a chance, give him our undying support. All presidents face a tough challenge. Ex-President Trump had a tough challenge when he came into office. And if he'd handled it the right way, if he hadn't placed those wedges between him and everyone, he could have been the best president in history. But there he goes, time he took office, pointing his finger and putting those wedges, blaming everyone else. That killed his chance of having anyone want to work with him. So again, it was his fault that no one wanted to work with him. And it's sad because, like I said, I really believe President Trump could have been one of the best presidents in history. But we'll never know. But now, one thing we will know, will Joe Biden live up to his promises? It looks like from what he done to yesterday, after he took office, it looks like what he done then, it looks like he is going to do everything in his power to live up to his promises. We can only hope so. Y'all, pray for our country. Pray for Joe Biden and the whole administration. Pray for every one of our leaders, whether you voted for them or not. They are our leaders now, and they need our support and our prayer. Pray for everyone that's hurting in our country. We can do much better with prayer. The stimulus check that's coming out, $1,400 for all adults, $1,400 for all children, $1,400 for adult dependents, $400 for unemployment boost. All of these things add up. He's doing what he can to help us. And now they're talking about this $1,400 check will not be the last check. There's talk now that there may be 3 more checks. One in the spring, one in the summer, and one in the winter. We don't know. I mean, I heard talk about that today from the new Federal Reserve person. So, we can only hope. Only time will tell. I believe we are headed in the right direction now, though, with all the people actually working together. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here now. And just know I love you all. And if something else happens today, I will come back with another video. But just know I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments. Please use my comment section as your sounding board. Don't hold back. Say what you want to in my comments. You're not going to hurt my feelings. And if something is heavy on your heart, the best way to deal with it is to get it off your chest. Use my comment section to do that. Y'all, brighter days are ahead. I don't think it's going to be that much longer. We're going to be past all of this. I can tell you, I mean, with 99% certainty, it won't be as long as it has been. That I feel very confident in. But like I said before, give President Joe Biden and Kamala Harris your support. They're going to need it. They got a tough job ahead of them. But I believe together they can do it with our prayers. Did y'all see the primetime special that they had last night? It was a very good show. I may do a little follow-up on that later on today, so be sure and be watching out for that. I really enjoyed the show. But y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up, and don't forget to leave those comments. And thank you all so much for all the support that y'all give me here. I really do appreciate it. And just know, I do love you all. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will get us through this. And don't forget to pray. We need more prayer now more than ever. So don't forget to pray. I love you all. Ciao.